Hey. What are we doing today?
We're getting ice cream.
Yeah, that's good. Hey. Roll it down.
Ah!
Gotcha.
No. Okay, now this is
Alright, for real. What are we about to do? We're about to have an ice cream party night. Yep.
And then and we're gonna cringe at the movie.
Disney movie.
Yeah, we're gonna cringe at it.
Ratatouille?
No, I don't want Ratatouille.
Which one?
Ratatouille.
No. Yes.
I'm sorry for the times I forget what it was like living life like a silhouette, tracing the lines and ignore what's inside till you came into my life. Sometimes I see it all so clear. You are the reason I'm here. I was in the dark, but you were the light, guiding me through this night. Guide me through this night. I keep my head up towards the sky and look for you like a satellite. When things go wrong and I'm out of touch, you always find a way to send me love, and losing you just wouldn't do. 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 Lying on our backs in the grass, underneath the midnight sky, you looked at me and asked, is this love and will it last? I couldn't help but laugh. Thought I would.
My favorite is Baskin.
Love potion?
What is this?
It's love potion.
Ew! No thanks. Mine is icing on a cake.